social entrepreneurship, nation building. I will show that all these things are there. What is nation building? It's a very Nehruvian type of, but I will show you that it's a very different. When I talk about nation building, it is very different. This is what we do. So the talk structure, and so this is going to be 2 hours personally. I want after my talk a lot of questions, because that's how the discussion will take place. The structure will be what is social entrepreneurship and nation building. Since I believe that nation building is rural development, because majority of our population lives in rural areas. So unless we bring these people up, it will not be nation building. When we bring them up, then it is nation building. So there is a lot of problems involved in rural development that I talk about. Why and how technology management students should be involved in social entrepreneurship, and that's all of it. The reason why I am going to talk about all this is because I want you to really take up social entrepreneurship, and we talk about different social enterprises. Because in fact, we would also like to discuss that when you spend 2.5 days in Aarti, what is a single project you will take as an enterprise? You're all MBA students, and I hope what I will teach you or what I will tell you today, you should be able to take something, and you would like to do some projects immediately, which are really social enterprises. What are the technological challenges in rural development? In fact, as I said before, that you and I are here because of technology. Each and every aspect of our life is touched by technology. So you cannot wish it. And as a technologist, a hardcore technologist, I believe that it's a technology which changes. MBAs and all these things are peripheral. Technology is what makes the world go around. MBAs facilitate, not the other way. What are the NARI solutions? What we have to do today? I'll tell you briefly about it. Then I'll talk about what are the possible social enterprises that I feel are extremely important, and for the youth to take them up for helping them. And then the last part is how we can become happy by helping our fellow citizens, a sense of social entrepreneurship. So this is basically the structure of our talk. I hope you have shut off your mobiles and no crosstalk. Yeah. Huh? Please, all right. As long as you don't get an external signal. That's all. What is social entrepreneurship? Have you gone through any course of social entrepreneurship? What is this? You got to close. So what is social entrepreneurship? There are many definitions. The basic definition of entrepreneur, and I'm sure you've all gone through that, was by a 17th century French guy. He said somebody who undertakes a significant project or activity. That was entrepreneurship. Then another French economist, Say, his name was Say. He didn't say it, but his name was Say. He said that entrepreneurs create value. And most accepted definition is by the US economist Schumpeter. Actually, he was an Austrian economist who settled in America, became a very great, very well-known person, advised by presidents, etc. And he said entrepreneurs are catalysts and innovators behind economic process.